Alright guys, today we will be frying some garfish fillet. I don't need to season it and it has been already washed. I washed it myself. What you want to do is you want to make sure all that water is out as much as you can get out, which I did do that. But we will not be seasoning it because I already have the seasoned fish fry breading mix. We have our batter mix here, our breading mix. Well, you can call it batter, breading, whatever. It's the Louisiana fish fry seasoned crispy fish fry seafood breading mix. All right, this is how the breading mix looks outside of the box, and we're gonna place our garfish fillets in here, and we're going to cover it in the breading mix. Make sure it's fully covered. And we're gonna do that with all of them. Okay. Just make sure it's completely covered. Okay, you wanna set that off aside and get another one. I'm probably gonna do 3 pieces in the skillet because I got a skillet that I'm gonna fry it in. So just make sure that's covered. And that seasoning is super strong. You can smell it. All right, now we're gonna put the third one in. That one is a thick piece. Okay. Just covered it up. Okay. All right. So we're gonna wait for our oil to finish heating up, and I'll be back. Guys, we heating up our oil to place our garfish fillets in, and I'll be back. All right guys, I have the fish in here. I was on the phone so I couldn't record when I first put it in here, but it's coming out so good guys, and it's almost time to take it out. Now remember, the fish, it doesn't take long for it to fry guys. It does not take long. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and put some more in the skillet. Okay. Ooh, you gotta make sure that skillet hot too. Okay. And we're gonna let that fry, and I'll be back. All right guys, we want to flip them to make sure both sides get the amount of cooking that it's supposed to. And y'all excuse my pot is so old. But we're gonna let that go ahead and cook, and soon it will be time to place on the napkins. All right guys, it's time to take them out and place them on a napkin. You want to make sure you get all that grease off. Okay. And I'll do the rest of them, and I'll be back guys. All right guys, we are done. Look at this. Oh, it looks so good. And you know we gotta take a bite, right? Yes, we have to take a bite. So I want to chit chat with you guys before we take a bite right quick. So how are you guys? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Well, this video, because I don't think it's a recipe. Is it a recipe? I don't know. I guess it is. I don't know. It's not my normal, but I guess it's something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I figured I wanted to do something a little different this time. Guys, the garfish is so expensive. Oh my goodness. For a garfish fillet, it was like $22, guys. That was a lot, and it wasn't that big. But everything is going up. Prices is getting up there, guys. So y'all try to learn how to save, because baby, these prices is not going down. But I think the Louisiana fish fry products is like really, I love those. There's many different kinds you can use to fry your fish. It's totally up to you. I just usually use that one because, for one, it's seasoned already, and I don't have to season my my fish, which the seasoning comes out perfectly, guys, perfectly, because the batter is already, well, breading mix. I'm looking at the box right now. The breading mix is already seasoned, so I don't have to worry about seasoning. And you know me, Mink will season her food, but with this, I don't have to do it. So that is a good thing. Y'all go and get y'all, you know, some fish to fry, and do use some of that Louisiana fish fry breading mix. I keep forgetting what it is. Because it's so good, guys. It's so good, and I love the way it came out. How's your New Year's going so far? Mine is going fine, guys. I hope you all are having a great start to the new year, and I wish you all many, many blessings and a prosperous year. I hope you all have a great year, and I want to thank you all for coming on to my channel and supporting me. I know I have not been making any videos lately, guys, and I apologize for that, but lately I've been trying to build up my Instagram, doing more reels. So I'm trying to be on 3 platforms right now, guys. So it's hard, and plus I'm dealing with my other stuff in daily life. So I'm not forgetting about you all. So when I get the chance, I come back on here, and I jump back on to show support to you all. And I want to thank you all for being patient with me, because having a TikTok account with over 180,000 followers, it's a lot, because guys, I have to make sure I do the right videos. I have sponsorships and all that, so it's a lot. So and no, I'm not bragging or anything, but it's the truth. It's so much, and then dealing with daily life stuff, it can take over. So when some of y'all be saying y'all don't have time to come on here, sometimes I completely understand, but I want you all to know that I thank you so much for sticking with me, even though sometimes I cannot come on here. Like last week, I couldn't, like, I didn't have time to make a video. Now I made the video, but I didn't have time to edit it and post it. I didn't have time. So I will be posting this one first, and then I'm gonna do the one I did last week. I'm gonna post that one. I'm gonna try to do 2 this week, because I missed y'all last week. So that's what I try to do. If I miss y'all one week, I try to post an extra video the week after. So I'm gonna try to do that. Don't forget, I'm gonna do this little taste test, so stay tuned for that. And it's probably gonna cut off, the video is gonna cut off after that. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to check out my my taste test after this. I'm about to taste it, guys. Hold on, about to taste it. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look how fresh that looks. Look how it came out. It looks so good. Now we're gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste this piece of garfish fillet. It has that fresh taste. I love it. And it fries so perfectly.